Hello, in this video I want to show you how to download the rules for Warhammer Age of Sigmar 4.0. And to do this, first you will need to open a website called warhammercommunity.com. You can see the link right here, or you can also Google Warhammer Community and open the first link in the search. Then when you have the website opened and on the phone, click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, navigate to the downloads, then select Warhammer Age of Sigmar, and right here you'll be able to find the rules. Let the website load. Now we can scroll down. You can also switch the language if you like. And here there's a quick start guide. You can read through it and download the file. Also, we can download the main rules, terrain and glossary, and also battle profiles and rule updates. And alternatively, you might also want to download the rules for your specific faction. And to do that, we can go back to main Warhammer community page, then select the article Free Order Faction Pack. In this case, there's only Order at the time of recording, but there should be multiple different factions that you can download in the future. Now we can scroll down and select the specific order. In this case, we're going with Stormcast Eternals. When you click on it, it should begin downloading the rules. Click on it, open it with any PDF app, and then you'll be able to read through all of the rules. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.